Good morning, guys. This profile pop-up is for Amaya. Now, the first impression I had, I took a lot of time looking at this, a lot more than the potential 7 seconds you might get. And I want to show you something, a little different twist on things. See how it says that you replied to a comment, replied and shared? Only what you reply to or comment on or share now shows up in your recent activity. So, for me to get a quick feel for what you're all about, you did a reply on your own post, I see that, and I come down here, and if I'm only looking at on an app, the replies, you see how they're already indented, and you see how I get the first 5 words or so, and that's if they're short words. So I see a little bit of your picture, I see your name, and I see the first 5 words of your profile or of your headline. Now, is that headline grabbing people and quickly conveying what you offer? You're the founder and author, okay, of what? That right there, that's the kind of a statement that I would rather see at the end of a headline. You're inspiring young, what? Now, if I back up a second here, I can look at that up here at the very top of your post, or if you had an original comment, then I would see slightly more, and I'm just scrolling through. I don't see it. But look here, inspiring young generation to what? We're missing out. That is probably the number one thing I would tell you. You need to front load your headline because you need to give us an impression in seconds of what you're all about. And really, that's kind of what it comes down to. Inspiring young generation to follow their dreams and adopt an entrepreneurial mindset. That tells me that your reason for this profile, you've got a lot of content in here. I'll let people explore your profile. I'm not going to go through it all. The reason you've got this profile is to help people that are entrepreneurs. That's the impression I get from just that, just looking at this. But I went through, you've got a CV on here. Are you looking for a job? I went to click on the CV and it wouldn't open. It was a bad link. I'm not a fan of attaching CVs anyway. Then I open this up and I see the word entrepreneur before I clicked on it. You give us a background. It's in third person. He loves sharing. Talk about us in a first person so that we get to know you. Talk to us that way, okay? And then another thing here on your founder, this link didn't seem to load very fast, and you've got a whole bunch of present positions. So, I have trouble. If I'm looking through all this, I'm wondering what it is, what's your main thing? Are you trying to attract new business to your entrepreneurial adventures? Are you trying to teach people? Are you trying to get a job? Again, when I'm looking at the experience, that doesn't all pop to me. So anyway, those are my quick takes. Slightly different approach to this profile pop-up. But Amaya, I hope that helped. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks.